Hey everyone, it's Harry here, and today we're in Brains Park on Archibald Road.
Archibald Park.
Archibald Park on Brains Road, just off of Brains Road actually. About to do some cooking.
Probably like a kilometer away from our home. Eh?
Yeah, it's probably about a kilometre away. But anyway, I'm about to turn into fucking Gordon Ramsay, alright? I'm about to turn into Gordon Ramsay, yeah?
So what do we have to do right now, Harry?
You prepare everything,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm the one watching, alright? I'm the one looking at it,
It's about
and if I see you doing a bad job,
Hey.
I'm gonna tell you to get out, alright?
Oh yeah, saying going back to your blog, yeah, you're preparing.
Yeah, so we're gonna be preparing a bit of food and all that.
What food?
We're gonna be preparing chips actually. We're gonna be preparing a French fries.
French fries. Can you give me some history about French fries? What is French fries all about?
I don't know.
Well,
Obviously they originate from potatoes because
Yeah.
that's obviously how chips are made. But obviously because we haven't got like an air fryer or anything, so we're just you're blocking my view.
Yeah, sorry. Try to turn it on.
Yeah, but
There you
Yeah,
go. There you go. Sorry.
blocking
Yeah.
my view. Get out of the shop.
No, because I'm turning it on.
You're blocking my.
Hey.
Anyway, so we're gonna obviously cook the French fries with the traditional method, which we've got a gas stove here,
Yes.
and then we've got obviously our utensils. We've got the tongs.
Yep.
And the plates.
Yep.
And the chips are in that container there.
What do we have to put in the pan?
Well, obviously you have to put the oil in first because that's how you obviously fry the chips. Because if you don't put oil in the pan, then you just act like a blimmin' idiot, don't you?
All right.
Now hurry up, get it in there.
This is.
Hey,
oil.
don't muck around with it, mate. All right.
Hey, come on, be serious. So.
What do you mean, be serious? I am being serious. I'm being funny at the same time.
All right. I'm going to put some oil.
Yeah.
According to Harry.
So you put the oil in it like that, right? And don't put too much in it. Don't put too much in there.
Are you sure? Yep. I think that's enough, eh?
What, you're gonna drown the whole thing in oil?
Just enough to dip them up, eh?
Cool. And we've got a bit of wind picking up as well, so that's obviously why everything's blowing around at the moment.
Is that against the sun? Are we going against the sun?
Well, I hope so, because the sun is that way.
Yeah.
But anyway, enough of all that. Right, so you got the oil in the pan, now what do you do?
Wait for the.
Yeah, you got to wait for it to set, mate. That's it.
We have to wait for the cooking oil to be hot enough to put the.
To put chips in it.
Correct. Great, Mr. Ramsey. So
Thank
couple
you.
Couple of minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are our plates. So yeah, what can you say about the environment, Harry? How do you find this place?
So obviously the environment we're in Archibald Park, which is a very big park, which is a kilometre from our house.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much walking distance from here. So we were gonna take the van down here, but then we thought, no, we're just gonna
go for a
walk.
walk. Yeah, just for an exercise as well.
Yeah. But anyway.
Do you find it cold? No, not really.
Yeah, because I'm a Kiwi, mate. I know how to handle it. But then you're dressed up like a bloody Arctic expedition, mate. That's what you're doing, eh? Hey, can you smell that?
Smells like. It smells like cooking.
Mm.
What the rock says.
If you smell la 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 la.
I just feel like, are we going against the sun or something? Yeah.
Well, don't move it.
No. I'm just making sure that the camera.
Well, I can obviously see it, can't I? So don't make a big deal out of it. But anyway, yeah.
I want to greet my mom, everyone down there. Everyone watching.
Who are you talking about? Anyway, I just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers who are watching this at the moment, and I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel and watching my videos.
Thank you for supporting Police 10. Oh,
Shut up, man.
See that one? That's a big dog.
It's a German Shepherd, mate.
Scares me.
Standard police dog, that is.
See,
Yeah.
This is the sun, eh? See.
So yeah, anyway, I want to give a shout out to my YouTube subscribers of my channel.
Can you stand on this side, Harry, so you can block the sun? So the camera is not glaring. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Yep. That's the one.
So obviously I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers and my supporters who watch my videos, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, but
we're still waiting for the...
we're still waiting for the coconut oil to heat up. So just sit back and relax for a couple of minutes, and
we'll get back to you guys.
we'll get back to you.